Guys, today I'm sharing something with you guys that I've been wanting to get for quite some time. It is a GoGri portable charger. I've been very curious about how they worked. It's not something I plan on using regularly. I'm at the house quite a bit and keep a charged phone, try to, but I consider it important nonetheless. There's times that we're out hunting or hiking or out and about. And even though I try to start with a charged phone, it's nice to have a backup in case of emergencies. We all have walked out the door at some point in time and realized we're about at 1%, so having this tucked away is a safe, easy solution for charging. Took maybe a couple hours to charge from my HP Mini, and the indicator lights make for real easy use. I plugged my phone in, and the device top lit up and immediately started charging, and if I wasn't using my phone right now, I'd show you guys. I love how compact and durable it is, and that way it doesn't weigh down my purse. There's your plugs, and I received this in exchange for a fair and honest review.